Akcja. The Walking Dead, epizod 3. Kto miał na Steamie, będzie miał na Steamie. Kto nie ma, to musi sobie kupić na tym. Jak to się nazywa? Epic Games. Coś tam, bla bla bla. I jazda. Broken Toys. Angielski każdy zna. Dałem duże napisy. Dacie sobie radę.
Previously on The Walking Dead.
O.
While searching for a place to call home, AJ and I found an old boarding school run by kids deep in the forest. Their leader was a guy named Marlon, and AJ pulled the trigger. I told AJ he was justified for killing him. The other kids didn't see it that way. They voted to kick us out. I thought we'd never return. Then, AJ and I were attacked by Abel, one of the raiders Marlon had given the twins to. He was with someone I thought I'd never see again. Lily. We were almost eaten by walkers when suddenly one of them spoke to me.
A, było,
His
tak?
name was James,
Było,
an
tak?
ex-whisperer who didn't believe in killing
Fajny
walkers.
przystojniak taki, ach,
He
młody.
helped me treat AJ, but without real medicine, he wouldn't make it.
Fajny.
The kids didn't turn away the sad sight of AJ and let us back inside. After I told them how we could defend the school against the raiders, they were willing to let us stay, at least until the fight. I decided to help Violet in the bell tower. We looked at the stars together. Violet is a great friend. Those are rare. Then the raiders finally came. They busted open our gates, but the kids stayed hidden as planned. Until 10 ran out of cover, hoping for a chance to learn about his missing sisters. The bomb went off, and attempting to save 10, Mitch threw himself at Lily and got a knife to the throat. With only a second to decide, I fired and saved Violet. They got away with 3 of our friends, and we had no idea where they'd gone. But we knew someone who did.
To ten z Wyrol. Tak, całe piwo wypite. Bardzo dobre było. Animacje słabiutko. You gonna need a bigger bait, kid. Siema, Fleischhund 21. Na wczytywanie, co ciekawe, jest przeciążony dekoder. Co tam się musi dziać z tą grą, że przeciąża RTX-a? Ale wcześniej też tak było, także to nie jest wina Epika. To jest wina wiadomo kogo. Stojących za tym mocodawców wiadomej nacji.
Ja mazla masny donate 25 zł.
Dziękuję.
At the start, I was so little, and Mitch looked after me. People said he was a dick sometimes, but he was always nice to me. Now he's gone. Stabbed in the eye by some
zemścimy się.
asshole who never even knew his name.
Look, I promise you, Willie, the people who did this, we're going to hit them back. They're gonna regret ever coming near us.
If Mitch were here, he wouldn't cry. He'd find a way to get our friends back. Then he'd bash Lily's brains out with a rock.
Hey, AJ's waiting for you in the basement. We got Abel tied up tight. He's alive, but he's out cold. Thanks. We should bury Mitch. It's time.
I'll help you carry
Get
it.
away from him! You're the reason he's dead!
Willie!
Well, it's true! We had a plan, and that idiot messed it up!
Hey! Cut that shit out!
Someone's gotta say it! It's what everyone's thinking.
Ale jaja.
10!
A tego
I'll take
też,
care of
ten
this.
mnie też mały
Talk to
murzyn.
Abel, find out where Lily took Lewis, Omar,
Taki
and
jakiś
Nassim.
jest.
And Clem,
Nie bardzo.
don't be afraid to, you know, hurt him a little. Maybe you'll get more out of him than we did.
Będzie torturowanko. Widziałem na trailerze. Torture. Przesłuchaj Bella, czyli dzwonka.
This should be strong enough to hold him.
Kupiłem wczoraj w Biedrze 2 rolki za 6 zł. Dobry deal, polecam.
Brody.
A, było, tak, było. A co to? Sketch toy. O! Rosie. Jaka ona jest wielka. Ha! I jak ładnie zagryza zombiaki. O, osiągnięcie na Steamie. Siema, Kuwers.
Got your gun back, huh?
Uh-huh.
A nie, to ten mnie wnerwia.
Still want dibs?
Murzyny mi się pomylili.
It's different like this. With 'em all
Przepraszam.
broken. But I still hate him.
Ready?
No to będzie masna interrogacja. Dobra, zaczynamy.
Fuck.
A! Obejrzysz.
Well, that ain't no way to wake an old man up from his afternoon nap. I was having a nice dream, too. About a girl I used to know from before. She also had me tied up, but I wasn't her prisoner, if you get my meaning. No offense, but I'd rather go back to my dream, so if you don't mind. Damn it, Squirt. Easy on the broken parts.
I don't like your voice.
Well, I'm real sorry about that, but it's the only one I got.
And don't call me Squirt.
Będziemy, kurde, jadymy z nim.
You never done this before, have you? First thing you learn, I can't tell you shit if I pass out from the pain.
Don't make this harder than it needs to be, okay? I just want to know where Lily took my people.
It doesn't matter. As soon as she gets there, she's gonna turn around and come right back for me.
No, chyba, że nie
You
dożyjesz.
better give me the 5-star treatment. If I'm smiling when she gets here, you might be able to trade me for a little mercy. We underestimated you little shits.
Próbujemy
but
tak.
Lily won't make the same mistake twice.
Kurde, chociaż to
You
mogę...
aren't gonna do that. You don't have it in you.
Just tell us where they took our friends so we can get them back.
Lily will never give him up.
To się Zakolak zdziwił.
The only reason we came here was for more manpower. Losing Jonathan and me for 3 sprouts that can barely hold a gun. Even a dummy like me can do the math on that one.
We're gonna get him back.
You don't know what it's like out there. It's a bloodbath. One community against another. From Richmond to the coast. Back at the Delta, we're at war. With some really sick fucks who make me look like the Virgin Mary. We need people to fight it. Soldiers who do what we say. Point the guns the way we tell them to.
That's called
Nie można
kidnapping.
też
Give it
przesadzić.
whatever name you want. I call it survival.
What kind of place is this Delta if they use forced labor to defend it?
You think we like doing raids like this? Our home is under threat. It's a good home. Built to last. I do a lot to protect it. Maybe you can understand that.
And I do a lot to get my friends back. So stop wasting my time.
Okay. Front pocket. The answer to all your questions. Read it.
Whatsoever parteth the hoof and is cloven-footed, and cheweth the cud among the beasts, that shall ye eat. What the fuck? Is this code?
No, it's fucking Leviticus. I was hoping it'd be some timely, moralistic shit about turning the other cheek. Well, come on. That thing ain't gonna light itself. Wanna know where your friends are? Smoke will clear my mind. Help me remember stuff. Like where Lily went.
Burn him, let him
Come on,
smoke,
Don't
stop
make me wait all
out
day.
cigarette. Nie mogę się powstrzymać.
I'm out of patience, Abel. Tell me where Lily went. Now!
Shit.
That's a lot of blood.
Oh, fuck. This is not good.
He's gonna die, isn't he?
Ah!
I hope so. And I hope he suffers every moment till he does.
You're gonna get your wish. When you pushed me off that balcony, something must have burst inside of me. Shit. I never wanted things to end like this. Everything. It all got out of hand. Now look at me. I'm a fucking mess.
Will he turn?
No. My whole life, everything I ever got, I got with my own 2 hands and my will. For my body to turn on me, to take control. I'll tell you where to find Lily. Just promise. You won't let me turn. I'm begging you.
Dobra, niech mu będzie.
If you're honest with me, I'll put you out of your misery. You have my word.
Okay, we have a boat. We're docked a few miles west of here, at an old fishing pier. Your friends are on the boat. You got what you wanted. Please, don't let me become one of those things. Please, I don't want to turn.
Dobra.
Not that. I wanna let me keep my face.
You don't need to watch this.
Pedagogicznie postępować.
I want to.
O kurde. Ale to można go było w serce na przykład ugodzić, nie? A niekoniecznie w... O Jezus, no dobra.
At least you can't hurt anyone anymore.
Yeah.
Help me remember stuff. Like where Lily went.
Burn him, let him
Come on,
smoke.
Help me remember stuff. Like where Lily went.
Burn him, let him
Come on, kid.
smoke.
Don't
Stop
make me wait all
out
day.
cigarette. Nie mogę się powstrzymać.
I'm out of patience, Abel. Tell me where Lily went. Now!
Shit.
That's a lot of blood.
Oh, fuck. This is not good.
He's gonna die, isn't he?
Ah!
I hope so. And I hope he suffers every moment till he does.
You're gonna get your wish. When you pushed me off that balcony, something must have burst inside of me.
Fajny epizod. Fajny, treściwy. No bo jakby mu strzeliła z tego rewolweru w twarz, to by mu z niej zostało niewiele. Już. No już! O, jednak nie.
Once we find the boat, we'll look
Siema,
for a way
Lepiej.
to sneak on board.
Yeah, if 10 doesn't fuck it up this time.
It wasn't Tin's fault.
Yes, it was! Mitch died because he...
Say one more thing about Tin. I dare you.
Guys, look!
You see anything?
The beach, a boat, and a wood street in the water.
That's called a pier.
Pier.
Okay, let's spread out and focus on those areas.
Siema,
Keep your
Ksajkon.
heads low.
Spy on the raiders. Dobrze.
You ever seen this boat before?
No. Marlin kept us confined to the safe zone. Pier leading up to the boat? It's our only way in and out.
Well, let's see what else is down there. There are a few on deck, a couple others on the pier. Could be more inside.
Looks like they're well armed too.
I see Lewis.
Abel wasn't lying. This is it.
Ile lat ma? 18 chyba. Dorosła jest.
There's no good cover leading up to the boat. We're gonna need one hell of a distraction.
Walkers!
Maybe if we could get walkers on the beach somehow.
Maybe not as hard as you'd think. The pier has plenty of cover on it. If we're careful, we can sneak in undetected. I can see an entrance.
I saw that too. It looks like there's a door at the other end.
There's a small opening at the top of those closed doorways.
We should have asked Abel.
When he said on a boat, I didn't think it'd be this big.
Okej.
Anything useful?
Looks like building material. Furniture. Probably stuff from the train station.
They're loading those rafts with supplies.
I could cut those loose and just ride them downriver. Easy.
Okej.
Sheet metal, wood, and quite a bit of it.
We should have that stuff.
Mały redneck.
Are those torches?
Maybe. Why?
We could use the fire. A rabbit's foot.
Omar used to carry around a rabbit's foot. You don't think?
We'll take it home. We can give it back to him once we've saved him.
Idę obadać jeszcze, może coś tu znajdę ciekawego.
Find anything over here?
They have horses.
Let me see.
Koń zombie to by było dobre.
If we cut those horses free, we could slow down anyone trying to chase us. More torches. Setting the hay on fire would get their attention. Scare the horses too.
We could get on the boat easier that way.
Jest tu, rysuje się kilka koncepcji.
We should get out of here before they spot us. We can talk through the plan once we're somewhere safe.
Czy tylko ludzi przemienia? Chyba tu nie było zwierząt zombie z tego co pamiętam. To jest chyba ludzki wirus. Ale nie dam sobie uciąć głowy.
What's the plan?
Well, they've got guards posted on the pier and the boat. There's no way we can take them all at once. Our only hope is to distract them while we sneak on board.
Cześć, Veron.
We should burn their stuff.
That'd work. We could burn the supplies or the hay they keep for the horses.
Whatever we don't burn, we should take. Ruby'd love to have the horses.
Burn the hay, burn the
But I'd rather
supplies.
steal
Nie
the
no, palimy siano.
I could build traps. Weapons.
Yeah, we'll steal their supplies and burn
A
the hay as our
zapasy
distraction.
kradniemy.
If you're going to steal from the rafts, you have to do it carefully.
Wouldn't do it any other way.
The fire will lure the raiders away from the boat, and we can sneak across the pier.
If anyone sees us, they'll shoot.
You remember that guy I told you about, James? He sent in walkers to save us from Lily and Abel. Maybe we could convince him to do it again.
Wirus jest na ludzi. No.
If we lead a big enough group of them
Czyli
onto
nie
the
będzie
beach,
koni
we
zombie.
can blend in without being seen.
Szkoda.
Perfect.
What about after we get everyone home?
What about?
I mean, the raiders will just come attack us again. What then?
Hide, quick!
A raider.
Has to be. You all stay here. I'll see if they know anything that could help us.
Walimy ją.
Drop it.
Ty, 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 ty.
Where do you keep the people you steal? I don't know what you're... I'm not fucking around. Answer the question. The boiler deck. Second deck. They're all there.
Clementine, wait. That's Minnie.
Co, kto?
After the attack, I wasn't sure. I mean, I heard they burned half your school down. Who survived? Ruby? Mitch? Brody? 10?
Ruby and 10 made it. Mitch didn't. And Brody, she died.
10's boots holding up okay?
His boots?
They're so old, they're more holes than rubber. I duct taped him up the last time I saw him, but that was a while ago.
His boots are fine.
You're Clementine. The girl who took over after Marlon died. It's weird. I thought everyone would want to lean on their own.
I didn't ask to be put in charge. It just sort of happened.
Is that the kind of wishy-washy bullshit you say to everyone back home or just me?
Excuse me?
Abel figured he could talk Marlon into handing everyone over like he and Lily did, but... like they did before. You ruined the whole plan.
What the hell? He gave you and Sophie away.
Yeah, and we all survived it. Marlon would have never made them fight the way you did. He wouldn't have gotten people killed.
Minnie, you're wrong. Clem protected us.
He wouldn't have gotten people killed. He murdered Brody.
What?
A?
Where's Sophie?
No i co?
Is she alive?
She died protecting the Delta. A hero.
A hero? God, you...
Minerva!
Shit.
Szt.
Rockingham! Finish up and head back. I want to be in before dark.
Yes, ma'am. Our boat leaves for the Delta in 2 days. Then it'll be a couple of weeks before we can come back for the rest of you. When we do, don't fight. The only way you're gonna save your people is to let us take them. I'm serious. Don't fight this.
It's not too late, Minnie. You could come back to the school with us.
No. No, I couldn't.
To nie. Idź, idź! Baw się.
Are you okay?
Nothing's changed. Our plan is to get onto the boat and save our friends. So that's what we're gonna do.
Biegnij do nich! Wypie...
You all should head home. Start getting things ready. Get everyone caught up on the plan.
Everyone except 10.
I warned you.
Enough, both of you. AJ and I will go find James.
Good luck.
So,
Wojtek,
how many
siema.
walkers do you think James will help us get? 15? 100? 1,000?
Clem, I don't... Ow.
Gunshot wound.
It feels like someone pinched me from inside.
Here, let's rest a second.
Clem, I keep thinking. When Willie said all that stuff about 10 before, I got so mad. He was being mean, and 10 wasn't even there to defend himself. I wanted to hurt him. I know I shouldn't, but I just can't stop thinking about it. I want to just punch his head. I tried breathing, kicking rocks. I don't like this feeling.
Mały
Wanna
tyran,
hurt somebody?
morderca.
I know it's hard, AJ, but thoughts like that, they go away. You just have to give it time.
Waiting's hard. I'm just thinking too much. Like, I think I'm mad at 10 too. Running out of cover when Lily attacked the school was really stupid. But he just doesn't know stuff like we do. And then Willie started yelling at him instead of helping him learn. Why don't the other kids know all the stuff we know? When there's a plan, you
Grybo.
have to follow it. And when you yell at someone, it just makes them not listen.
Dajcie suba.
Maybe they'll get smarter too,
Dziękuję.
like us. It's weird that people are so different.
It is Erickson's boarding school for troubled youth.
Troubled youth. Trouble like bad? So they did bad things?
Troubled
Why?
Youth, czyli
Okay.
Hilwa.
Sometimes they do them
Ja to bardziej do
because
głupków
bad
niż
things
do...
happen to them.
Chociaż Troubled też.
I knew a doctor once, back when you were just a baby. He called it trauma. You have some too, you know. The thing where people can't walk up behind you.
I don't like my trauma. I want to get it off of me. How do I get rid of it? I don't even like the way the word sounds.
You
sock it right in the mouth.
It has a mouth?
What I'm saying is that, like everything else in the world, you can fight it.
So it's like controlling my anger.
Almost exactly.
I can do that. I still like them. I like 10 the most,
Ach,
I think.
sukcesy
Even
wychowawcze.
if he does dumb things. Actually, I think he's my first real friend.
Oh yeah? I thought I was your first real friend.
Well, yeah, but you don't count. You're old.
Am not.
Fine. He's my second first real friend.
Stara baba. No 17 czy tam 18, oła, 18 lat to już. Walker. Piknik.
I don't see James. Just monsters.
James?
A, piękniś.
You're hurt. Did the raiders do this?
It looked like they had people from your school. Why are you here?
Those people you saw, we're going to save them. But to do that, we need your help moving some walkers.
I could maybe help, but my mask is still in the camp, inside my bag. I can't pass through a herd without it.
Okay, then let's go get it.
Please, I just ask that you don't kill them, the walkers. If you distract them, I can sneak over and find my mask.
Distract all of them?
Please.
Co ty masz, tatarze? No taki trochę tatar. Co ty masz za jakieś pomysły? Azjato. Simultaneously satisfying James' request. Omygy. Wszystkim połamie nogi. O kurde. Sorry. Nie wyszło mi. Ale tu nie idzie iść. Ja, tam nie szło pójść. Fuck. No to też. Idź. Piękny. O kurde. Czemu te zombie się poruszają, skoro mięśnie im gniją? No bo gniją, a nie zgniły. Proste. Idź proste. Jeszcze raz. No pięknisiu, ciś. Teraz już czaję, czemu Mateuski napisał, że 6 razy ten etap powtarzał. Karwasz barabasz! Jakbym tu poczekał może. No i on się tam skrada. Fajnie. Teraz ja sobie przejdę tutaj. No nie mogę ich zabijać, bo mi zabronił. O!
I don't know how long I can keep this up. Did you find your mask?
I can't find it. The horses must have... There!
Oh, shit.
No
I have
nie!
to run.
Hey, over here!
AJ!
No, there are too many of them.
Cart. Push it, the noise will draw them away.
AJ, are you okay?
Yeah, no bites.
I know it would have been easier to kill them. You're kind. I appreciate it. Really.
Buzi, 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 buzi. Jaki Leatherface.
Thank you for helping me get this back.
Charming.
Now, how will walkers save your friends?
They're being held captive on a boat not too far from here. We can't sneak on board without cover, not without the raiders gunning us down.
You want to use walkers to hide? To sneak on board their ship? That's insane.
It's our only chance.
I have something I need you to see, so you can understand what you're asking.
James.
OMG.
We still need his help, right?
Yeah, we do.
It's safe. Just a little further.
Chyba sobie pokażę. No, okej, jak możesz tak pisać. Trochę wyczucia. HTO, ale nie Zara bydlaka. Miss Miyagi. Jak ty chyba zboczona jakaś. Ja nie wiem. Zara bydlaka.
Clem, what's this?
It's called a salt lick.
Salt lick? Ugh, sounds gross. Or maybe it's actually good, like chips.
Nie, nie lizać
Those are salty,
raczej.
right?
Whatever you do, don't lick it. It tastes horrible.
Wait a minute, how do you know? Did you lick it?
I don't know.
You don't know, you say. Yes, you do. Czy naby... Co za rozkminy. Co tu tak szarpie ta gra? Jakieś tu są zaawansowane te obliczenia się dzieją?
My people, my former people, they had a practice. They called it collecting. They use them as a weapon. I do this to protect them. I know it sounds strange, but that's why I brought you here. To see them as I do. As people.
As people?
Ale co ty...
Well, not people exactly, but something in between. Part of us is still in there. Deep down. So few of us die anymore. We turn. Not dead, not alive.
Well, you can't prove that, James. Look, I've heard some weird things, but walkers having a soul?
Like I said, I know how it sounds.
I co on potem z nimi zrobi
Do you
niby?
really think there's people inside of
Przecież
monsters?
ich nie wyleczy.
Somewhere. Yes. Think about it this way. Has someone you cared about turned?
Clem's friend, Lee. She shot him before he did, so he wouldn't have to suffer.
Sorry. Maybe this wasn't the best way to explain. Didn't mean to bring up difficult memories. I lived among walkers for years. Still do, in a way. When they're alone, they're harmless. Innocent. If you want my help, I need you to try and walk with them.
You
Then tell me
are
if you really believe they're just
fucking sick.
monsters.
They are just monsters. They're not people or friends. Clem,
Mały
She'll
murzyn.
be safe, I promise.
this isn't
Mały-
smart. It's too dangerous.
She just needs to move as they do.
Jezu, nie wiem, no nie ma opcji,
If
że...
it gets bad in there, I'll need you to save me, okay? Can you do that?
Yes.
Holy
always protect
shit!
I know you will.
The first rule is never go alone.
I'm not leaving you. I'll be right back.
Find the exits.
I will.
And say fuck off to fear.
I will. I promise.
Stara kamerka się ładnie świeciła. Na
The
niebiesko.
mask will disguise your scent.
To się świeci na
But be
biało.
gentle and be quiet. Touch the wind chime. You'll see.
To jest jakieś b. No nie wiem, no nie wydaje mi się, żeby...
Whoa, hey there, kiddo. It's all right. I'm fine. See? No bites.
No bites.
So,
No to nie to...
do you still think they're just
To
monsters?
teraz już nie zabijamy
Now that
zombie.
you've seen them at peace,
No nie
any
wiem, no.
different at all?
Wydaje mi się, że raczej... No nie.
Yeah, I do. They're still just monsters. Dangerous things that want to kill us.
That's what I thought you would say. It's what I would have said too, once.
Have you ever killed a walker before?
I have. Many.
To, że tam lubią
Have you ever killed
dźwięki
a person?
i w ogóle to jeszcze nie znaczy, że to jakieś... tam-
Many.
No.
But that was a long time ago.
Bez przesy, nie? Wiadomo.
I've killed someone before too,
Nie ma tu
AJ.
co się...
You've killed someone?
Nie ma
but I
tu
was
co
justified.
przesadzać.
I see.
That's enough. What about the walkers? Are you going to help us save our
Przepraszam.
friends?
I thought I could, but I can't. So many walkers would die. All of the death this would cause. I'm sorry, Clementine.
Ty kurde,
I can't have more
kochasz
blood on my
zombiaków.
hands.
So let me get this straight. If you really had to choose human life or walker life, which is more important?
Walkers are peaceful. Humans...
My friends are alive, not kind of or maybe alive. They're trapped and they're afraid. They need my help.
Patty, please. Bo ludzie są podli, a zombie
I
są...
may be stubborn, but I'm not heartless.
A zombie są takie miłe. One se tylko tak łażą i tylko jak się do nich podejdzie, to ci odgryzą
Those
głowę.
raiders are cruel.
Ale tak to są okej.
They force others to be the same. And even if your friends think like you, no one deserves that. It'll take some time to guide them through the forest to the shore. Others will join the herd as they go. Tomorrow night, be ready. I can't undo this.
To jest akcja w ochronie martwego życia.
Come on, AJ. Let's get back before it's too dark.
Oj, panie pięknisiu azjatycki. Co ty pierdolisz? Czyli chcesz powiedzieć, że zamordowaliśmy te wszystkie zombie bezsensownie przez wszystkie te poprzednie części?
I've never met anyone like James before. I mean, he's tough. Not like you, though. He doesn't kill monsters, but he's not scared of them either.
Wielki marsz w sprawie zombie.
He's cool.
Nie jest cool, bo kurde kocha zombiki. Jest szalony.
Hey, Clem. Willie told me the plan. How'd things go with that guy?
James, he agreed to help us.
If somebody told me we were gonna sneak onto a boat in a herd of walkers, I'd have called them crazy.
What are you doing with those?
Oh, well, I wanted to throw one last hootenanny before the big fight.
Swear?
Hutaneni? Co to
Huh?
za słowo?
It sounds like a swear.
A, bo to nie wiadomo co to jest.
What the hell is a hootenanny?
It's just another way of saying party. I know it sounds strange, throwing a party, but people need something to lift their spirits right about now.
This could be our last chance.
I wanted to make some tea for everyone. Could I borrow your little heater thing?
What can I do?
We need to pretty up the old music room. Could you make us something
Well,
colorful to
cover.
hang up?
Okay, I'll be an artist. I'm gonna make the
Decoration.
a decoration for the party.
Okay, I'll get the heater.
Nie dość, że ruda i gruba. A co ci to przeszkadza? A co, ty taki piękny?
I'm done, Clem. Come see.
Okay, be
Co,
right there.
Już?
How do you play with it?
You draw pictures like this.
Cool.
Doodles. Mecenaskus piaseczna. Покажи. Что у тебя?
Hey, you're
Wow.
getting better at this. Soon you'll be as good an artist as 10.
I don't know. He's really good.
Something wrong,
Depresja weszła teraz.
AJ?
Osobowość
I was
borderline.
just thinking about stuff while I was drawing. There are 3 kind of eyes, Clem.
Oh, yeah?
There are live people eyes. We got those. Then there's monsters' eyes. Usually look like dirty water. Other times, monsters' eyes aren't even wet. And then there are live people eyes right as you kill him. Like you did to Abel. His eyes look like you blew a candle out. He was a bad guy. I know I shouldn't feel like this. I hated him too. I think there's something wrong with me.
Ale rozkmina.
You're way too little to see so much death, AJ. So much violence.
No, I'm big enough. And when I'm bigger, none of this will bother me. I won't let it. I'm getting real smart.
Is that right?
Yes, because I'm always thinking all the time.
Okay, what are you thinking about right now?
You getting bit, turning into a monster.
Oh,
Yeah. The older I get, the more I see it. I don't know why. What happens then? Anyone can get bit.
No
No matter
właśnie.
if you're inside or outside or how careful you are.
that's not happening.
You don't know that.
No, I don't. But it won't happen anytime soon.
You don't know that either. You're just trying to be brave for me. It does something weird to my stomach. Like I'm gonna get the dookies.
AJ, I need to know you remember what we talked about. What you're supposed to do if it happens. Listen to me. If I get bit, you'll... shoot.
No. No, I'm not gonna do that.
AJ, you promised.
I don't care. I'm not gonna shoot you. If you
Pussy.
get bit, I'd want you to bite me too.
What?
What? You don't mean
I
that.
don't want to be alone. Please don't be mad. I can't live with you not with me, Clem. I know we've talked about it so much, but don't make me.
Alvin Jr., if you have a gun, you shoot me. If you don't, you use your knife. No knife, a rock to the head as many times as you have to.
I said I don't wanna.
I don't care what you said. You will do it.
I don't care what you say.
God damn it, AJ.
Zaraz mu sprzedam plaskuna. Ja tu jestem
You can't break promises, AJ.
wychowawca. Wychowawczynia.
You're not letting this go, are you?
James said
Guess not.
that we could be around when we're monsters. Like on the inside. If you got bit and then bit me, then maybe we'd still be together. It would just be a different together. We might even be okay. You think so?
James jest trochę...
James said a lot of things about the monsters. And most of it was crazy pants,
Bym tak
AJ.
się na tym nie
So
opierał,
you
co?
don't think I would be inside my monster self?
There is no monster self, kiddo. Nothing that makes you, you would be in there.
Can I go patrol for a bit? Before the party?
Sure, go ahead. Be careful.
Jep. By zabił babę.
What's with AJ? He just needs some space.
Can we talk about what happened today? With Minnie?
Yeah, sure. What's wrong?
The thing is, seeing Minnie, I feel like it should have scared me, but it didn't. The person we ran into in the woods, that wasn't Minnie. Not really. The way she sounded and acted, the way she talked about Sophie and Lily. I'm confused, I guess.
You know you can't trust her, right? She's been with those people for over a year.
It sucks, but I don't know what else I expected. Minnie, the real Minnie, she's gone. She's been gone this whole time, and I have to stop mourning her. I won't let her take you or AJ, or anyone else I care about.
Louis knows when to keep his head down.
Yeah, shit. No, I hope so. You know, when I first got here, I hated him. He was so much. You know, he walks into a room and it's like, look at me, watch me perform. It's so stupid. But then I realized under all that, he really cares about people. And he doesn't just feel it, he says it. He'll tell you every goddamn day how much you mean to him. Shit, he'll probably sing about it.
Especially if there's already a famous song with your name in it.
We've got to get him back.
We will. Louis, Omar, Asim. We'll get them all back.
I made you this.
Button.
A Clementine? Really?
It's like a name badge. It'll look good on your jacket.
Pin. Jak z CS-a.
Hey, Clem!
Ale całowania nie będzie. No, kurde, nie zdążyłem złapać. Nie złapałem się.
Wow. Where did you find a beach ball?
It was in some garbage behind one of the dorms. I had to blow it up and that was pretty
Beach.
gross. But look, it works.
Beach.
I should get going. Ruby could probably use some help.
Ruby. Beka. Beka z Ruby.
It's cool, right?
Yeah.
Super cool.
Back!
Think fast.
Ouch!
Rasizm. O Jezus.
I love you back, kiddo.
Czemu mi nie dali odpowiedzi jej, żeby mógł powiedzieć na przykład
Okay, we better get ready to go.
I hate
Sounds like
you.
they need us in the music room.
Okay.
Looks like things are coming together.
Yeah. We still need to figure out lighting, music, and something to write on that banner.
If we're gonna die, we should have some fun first.
Music? But Louis isn't here.
a jak będzie impreza,
It's like Louis in a
to
box.
będzie
Come
alko.
on, I'll show you how it works.
Wouldn't be a party without some kind of mood lighting. I've been going back and forth between colors for ages. Green's calming, but purple might be nice. Room gets natural moonlight, so something to
Purple.
complement that, maybe.
Musi być purple.
Well, purple was my dad's favorite color.
I read somewhere purple was a color of royalty.
Purple. Really?
A, bo to jest taka chłopczyca.
I like purple.
Będzie taki
Shouldn't you like it too?
dziewczęcy.
Violet. I'll make it happen.
Dziewczęcy
one of those
kolor,
black
to ja się
things.
brzydzę.
Are we using the banner for some kind of party theme?
Not exactly. It's meant to be more motivational. I'd keep it short, though. There's not as much room as you think. I was thinking something uplifting like,
We're
we're
getting
gonna
them
get
back.
through this.
Straight and to the point. We're getting them back.
Yeah, we sure are. Okay, we'll have 10 break out his paintbrush and write it out.
I jeszcze muzyk.
Pulled out the old headmaster's gramophone so he could play some records.
Sinatra,
Not much of a selection, but it should do.
country, klasyka,
Just tell me what
jazz.
you want to listen to.
Jazz.
Wouldn't happen to have any good jazz records,
Smooth
would you?
jazz.
Oh yeah, the old music teacher was a big fan.
Najwyżej będzie jazz
Pretty cool
music.
guy up until he ditched us all.
Stops.
What's jazz sound like?
That one's hard to describe. Just wait till you hear it.
Da, da, da,
This
da,
place
da,
is
da.
gonna look great.
Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da.
Oh, and Willie was asking for you.
Da, da,
He's up in
da,
Marlon's
da,
office. He
da.
said he had a surprise for the party, but he wanted to show it to you first.
Di, da, 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 da. Nie mi dzielaj to już nie jest dzieło Telltale na ten moment.
Hey, Clem, check it out. I found a bunch of books on ships. There's some awesome stuff about fires at sea and explosions and stuff. The key is the boiler.
Wait, what are you talking about?
I have an idea about how to stop those assholes coming back to the school after we've rescued the others. And from hurting anyone else ever again. We're gonna blow up the boat. It's the only way to make sure they don't come back. Besides, it feels right, you know? For Mitch.
Is it me, or is there a bit of a bomb obsession at this school?
Oh, it's not you. There totally is. But for good reason. The tricky bit is timing the explosion so that it happens after you get off the boat. Trust me, this'll work. We'll be okay.
Okay, everybody, get ready to boogie.
And, Clem, I'm sorry for before. About how I treated Ten. I didn't mean to get so angry. I know it's not his fault.
That's nice, Willie, but don't tell me. Tell 10.
Tak bez wódki się nie idzie bawić.
Wow, this looks great, Ruby.
Couldn't have done it without you. But just wait till you see what else I've got planned. Go ahead and mingle. I'll let you know when it's time.
I guess I'll mingle?
Widzielaj, to w tej kamerze nie ma żadnej różnicy.
I see you two are working together.
Jak
Yeah,
ktoś jakąś
Willie
widzi,
asked me to help with
to se
his
wmawia.
special project.
Well, that's good to hear. Is it ready?
Good to go, Clem.
It'll work.
Actually, I was thinking maybe we should name it. Something cool. I mean, I think it deserves a name. All the best bombs have names.
Yeah, we absolutely have to name it.
I thought you'd make fun of me, but hell yeah. Let's name this fucker.
Willie, Mitch, Ruby's Revenge, Mitch Masterpiece, Willie Jr.
You made it, so we'll name it after you. Willie Jr.
That's like my name, Alvin Jr.
It is.
I used to hate my name. Not anymore. Welcome to the world, WJ.
WJ po angielsku fajnie, a po polsku WJ.
I found them.
Gorzoła!
Okay, Clementine.
A nie.
These here are our official Erickson psych evaluations and probationary reports.
Okay.
I don't get it.
Well, these explain why all of us got sent to this school in the first place.
And all the bad shit we did that kept them from sending us back home.
So what's the game?
I figured if we're all going on this crazy mission together, you might as well know who we really are. So, I'll read some of what the adults thought about us. And you have to guess which one of us fits the bill. I'll make sure
Okay.
it's someone you've actually met.
Okay.
This'll be the first one. While otherwise a remarkable student, blank continues to be plagued by fits of anger, uncontrollable cursing, and repeated physical altercations with the senior faculty.
No to będzie ta Violet chyba, nie?
That's gotta be Violet.
Nope, way scarier.
Nie?
That's Ruby's file.
Holy shit.
Serio?
Really?
Lol.
Guilty as charged.
Yeah, you should have seen Ruby back in the early days. She was like, you ever seen those Tasmanian devil cartoons when you were a kid? That was our Ruby. Used to have a mean streak a mile long.
Don't worry, that was a long time ago.
I mean, I can totally see it. The first time I met Ruby, she was all, that little motherfucker.
I said I was sorry.
Nie.
You guys want to know why I got sent here?
Willie,
Te ma te
please,
zęby.
no.
Chronic masturbation.
Trust me. Nobody wanted to know that.
What does that mean?
O.
Don't you dare.
Anyway, maybe we should change up the music?
I like all kind of different music, I think.
There's a lot of them.
How many?
Dobra,
know.
dawać country.
A lot.
Sure, we've heard enough of this. Throw some country on.
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah.
Oh, my exes live in Texas.
I didn't realize how many of us we lost.
Remember that Justin guy?
And Theresa and Jasper, that one girl with colored braces, and Joey, Maddie, Lamar.
Aaron. Yeah, I used to make fun of her braces. Why did I do that?
Alex, Dewey, Trey, Stephanie. Holy crap, how many of us died?
34.
Whose is it?
Lewis.
Should we read it?
I could tell you why I was sent here instead. You know, as a consolation prize or whatever. You might hate me after, but since we're all being so open and all.
I was hoping you'd tell me.
I spent a lot of time at my grandma's house growing up. What with my dad being a drunk and my mom working 3 jobs. But after my grandpa died, Grandma just kind of shut down. Spent all day and night rocking in her little chair in the den. I'd sit there at her feet as we both watched TV. Mostly cartoons, since she never seemed to care. Sometimes I could hear her crying, but I didn't look back. I'd just feel really weird and turn up the volume, you know? Anyway, one day she left the den and came back with another chair and a .22 rifle. Set the rifle butt on the top of the chair, holding the barrel back to her chest. So, you know, she had trouble reaching the trigger this way, but she must have known it would happen. Because she took out this really tacky wooden back scratcher. The real long kind with the one end shaped like a hand. And, used that to push the trigger in. So yeah, bang. Right. Her body folded up and just kept rocking. My mom came to get me 5 hours later. I hadn't moved. She asked why I didn't call the police or an ambulance or anything. I just shrugged and told her it wasn't like Grandma was going anywhere. And besides, I just wanted to finish my cartoons. She shipped me off to Erickson the next day. I was 11.
To pojebane, nie? Ale przykro mi.
I'm so sorry, Violet. I can't imagine what that was like. What you went through.
It's fine. We've just been through a lot of shit. We weren't good people, Clementine. But it still doesn't mean that we should have been left here to die by the people that were supposed to take care of us.
Sorry. This is supposed to be fun. I'm just not the game type, like Lewis was, I guess.
You mean is. We'll see him soon.
Ten's right.
Hey, I've got an idea. Do you guys remember when Minnie would sing us Don't Be Afraid when all of us used to get scared?
Too bad I can't play it. Lou would have known how. He liked that one.
You could just sing it to us, like she used to. Your voice is really pretty.
Okay. Okay, yeah. All right, I can do that.
No impreza jak to w świecie pełnym zombie, nie? Sztywna.
Never mind the darkness. Never mind the storm. Never mind the blood-red moon. The night will be over soon. The night will be over soon. Brush away the sorrow. Brush away the tears. Sing away your heavy heart. The night will be over soon. The night will be over soon. For every night goes quiet, and every moon grows blue. Beyond the dark comes something new. The sun will be rising soon. The sun will be rising soon. The sun will be rising soon.
To się wesoło zrobiło. Koniec imprezy. Bez wódki. No, bez wódki to się nie da bawić. Jednak wychodzi na to.
Hey, sweet pea. Why the train? You always pick the train.
I'm not sure. Maybe because this is where it all started. Where you taught me to shoot and to cut my hair. To be ready for what was coming.
You were a quick study.
Ale Lee to był Lee.
So, What's on your mind this time?
I'm worried, Lee. I've got a lot of people depending on me, and I don't know if what I'm doing is right.
Oh, I know that feeling. You know, I was, making it all up as I went along, right? Couldn't let on, of course. With you being so little.
I don't think you were fooling anyone.
Hey!
Don't feel bad. Monsters took over the world, and you got stuck taking care of an 8-year-old girl. What were you supposed to do?
I guess I let it show a little, huh? You want to tell me about what you're up against?
I'm with a new group now, and I've been in so many, and they always fall apart. But I really like this one. It's different. It almost feels like home.
That's a good thing. It's hard being alone out there.
But we're in trouble. Some bad people captured my friends, and getting them back might get the rest of us killed.
I'm not worried.
What?
Whatever trouble you're in, you get out of it. You get your friends out of it.
You don't know that.
I know you're a survivor. The Clementine I know is gonna fix it.
Dobra.
I really believe that.
Yeah, I made it this far, didn't I?
You sure did, when a lot of other people couldn't. Never give in, Clem.
Never gonna let you
Imagine
down.
what Lewis is gonna say when he sees your face. Those boys are gonna have hope again, knowing that you came to rescue them. Oh, Sweet Pea, you know you always get like this before something big. Remember how scared you were before you charged into that mess at McCarroll Ranch? You survived that, didn't you?
That was different.
Nie pamiętam
I was
szczerze mówiąc.
alone.
I know. It's harder when you have something to lose. But having people you care about, that's a good thing. They're fighting beside you. Because of you. Come see me again when you've gotten them out, okay? Out and safe. Sound good? And hopefully we can talk about happier things.
Out and safe. My friends are fighters. We can do this.
To think when I cut your hair, I was just following the advice of an old drunk we just met. But you have a knack for surviving. You've kept those kids alive. They look up to you. You're a leader, Clem. A natural.
Thank you, Lee. Talking to you always makes me feel a little bit better.
I meant to ask, how's the boy?
He's good, Lee. You'd like him.
I bet. You teach him to shoot yet?
You have no idea.
I guess the world got pretty hard since I left it. A kid growing up in it, he'd be hard too. You're in my shoes now, raising a kid. Think you got a handle on it? It can't be easy. Wanting to give him a childhood, but knowing what it takes to survive now.
Oh my god, Lee. AJ's trouble sometimes. You wouldn't believe it. And he has no idea. He's growing up too fast.
Sounds like someone else I know. Wow. Just look at you. Just look at you. Thought I told you to keep this short.
You don't know how hard it is to find scissors these days.
Time to go, Clementine. You've got people that need you.
Goodbye, Lee.
Clem, wake up. It's time to go. We got a long walk.
Będzie jazda. I dostaniesz strzałę. A, wiedziałem.
Guess we're really doing this.
Ale o czym ty gadasz,
Only the team
arbiter w
coming in
ogóle?
with the walkers need to cover themselves.
Now we just need your walker friend to...
He's here.
Good lord.
Hello.
Hello.
Guys, this is James.
He's my friend.
He's, so cool. How do you get the skin like that?
Oh, Clementine?
Can I try it on?
That's not a good idea.
Come on, please.
Willie, quiet.
Someone might hear you.
Loud as bad.
I'm not even being that loud. Sorry.
Entschuldigung.
Oh, and sorry I tried to shoot you that one time. Your mask looks so real.
Hey. Hey there, James. Sorry about Willie.
Is this the guy that Clem said she'd marry?
Yeah.
Clementine, could I speak to you alone for a moment?
Good idea. Hold tight.
Hey, Tank, can you come talk for a sec? There's something I have to tell you.
Arbiter, ale jej się śniło, a ty już tu filozofujesz.
You can join
Nie
them as they pass through the
filozofuj.
trees. The noise from the boat will draw them toward the water.
Then we can get on board and save our friends.
Your friends are different. Open-minded. Accepting. Maybe one day you'll be the same. Listen, Clementine. I need to talk to you about AJ.
What do you mean?
The Whisperers were my family. From a young age. In that time, I witnessed a lot of death and suffering. Eventually, I became the cause of it. Weakness was considered a poison. And I believed in that fiercely. So much so that when another boy expressed sympathy for our enemy before an attack, I slit his throat. I didn't talk to him, didn't consider who he was, what he felt. Honestly, I don't even remember his name.
That's kind of hard to believe. Doesn't sound anything like you.
Not anymore, but it was. I had no doubt in my mind that I was right. After he died, I kept hearing his words in my head. Those people are like us, just on a different path. I stopped killing after that. I changed. No one else did. When AJ told me he killed someone, it reminded me of them. Of myself. When he said it was the right thing to do. Taking life like that, from a young age, it breaks something inside you. I'm afraid if AJ kills again, he won't be able to go back. He won't be the same boy he was. I've seen it happen too many times.
No, ale panie, it's easy.
I'm not going to let AJ become a killer. I don't want him to change. Not like that.
I hope you can keep that promise. They're close. Soon there will be enough of them to provide us cover. I'll lead you through the herd until you reach the boat. That's as far as I go. After that, it's up to you.
Thank you.
Take care of AJ.
Okay, he's ready to go. The walkers are getting close. Ruby, you're in charge of the horses. Willie, 10, take care of the supplies.
I've got the bomb.
Find the boiler. There'll be a door on the bottom with ash and stuff. Put it in there.
Ja mam w łazience boiler.
See you all on the other side.
I'll cut it open.
Violet told me about Minnie. That Sophie died, and Minnie is one of them now. Just, if you see her out there, tell her I forgive her. Please. I tell her myself, but I just want her to be okay.
Yeah, sure. If we see her, I'll let her know.
Thanks.
Hey, it's time. We gotta move.
We got it.
Clem,
I love you.
what happens if someone else gets caught while we're in there? What if it's you? I couldn't save Minnie or Lou or Sim. Omar. You saved me from these
Będziemy
people.
się martwić.
In a way, you've saved most of us.
W ogóle
And if something happened to you, and it was my fault,
długi ten epizod.
I can't lose you too. I won't.
A mnie, bo to lesbijskie. Tak. A, dobra. I no,
You better not disappear on me, okay?
bez całowania.
Okay. Are we good?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, let's bring our friends back home.
All of them.
All of them.
It's ready.
So, I know this is gonna sound gross, but...
Covering your smell. Smart.
Siema, siema, witam wszystkich. Dajcie suba, 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 dajcie suba. A na YouTubie. Dajcie łapkę, 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 dajcie łapkę. Masnoni, 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 masnoni. Oh yeah. It's pretty disgusting.
Thanks.
We gonna do it?
We're doing it.
Okay, follow my lead.
Here we go. behind the walkers.
No.
Use them as shields.
Nie wiem czemu ta gra tak ścina w niektórych momentach. Znaczy ścina, tak? Tak się przecina. Za słabego kompa? Przeżyje. Oh no! Aha. Nowy procesor. Tak. Z pewnością The Walking Dead wymaga więcej niż i7 4790K i RTX-a. Myślę, że to raczej może być kwestia optymalizacji.
Stay behind the walkers. Use them as shields.
Catch him, Kurw.
Stay behind the walkers. Use them as shields.
That was close. Musieli go zaszczelić przede mną.
Stay behind the walkers. Use them as shields.
Czemu nie pojawiło się kół w ogóle, żeby ją chycić?
Stay behind the walkers. Use them as shields.
Jeszcze raz ktoś napisze o shifcie, to pomyślę, że jest idiotą. Serio. Kurwa, skończyły się. Na prawo, może na prawo.
Stay behind the walkers. Use them as shields.
Kurde. Skończyły się zombie. Dobra. Okej.
Get their fire under control.
Get rid of you fucking walker!
Come on, Willie.
Supplies going overboard.
God damn it! Someone get over there and see what's going on!
Stay sharp! We're under attack!
Okay, now's our chance. We can't risk leaving cover. We'll have to crawl along the side of the dock. lights are washing off.
Trzeba było chycić za lufę
Follow me. This way.
i do wody. O kurde, ale jaja. No ja, zombie umią... Zombie przecież łażą po dnie. O cholera!
Fuck, are you okay? I'm fine. Stay close. Stay hidden.
Przepraszam. Ja się tak zaśmiałem głośno, ale mi wyszło cudownie.
Fuck, are you okay? I'm fine.
No, nope.
Stay close. Stay hidden. Come on, let's hurry. Ready, AJ? Walkers!
Nice.
We're getting close. After we find the boiler and place the bomb, we'll get our friends out. Ninny said they keep prisoners on the second deck. Look out for guards and stay quiet, okay?
Right behind you.
Good. I'll scout ahead and signal when it's clear. Got it?
I got it from my dad.
Hey, who's there?
Ej, faktycznie to jest typek z Mafii 3. Co, knockout czy kill? Nie no, kill, nie?
Hey, Clem. This has got to be the boiler, right?
Yep,
Yeah, it looks like it.
it's boiler.
That's where we need to plant the bomb.
There's too much stuff in there.
Maybe there's another way in.
To już mogli od tamtego typka wziąć tą giwerę, nie?
Wait here.
Nie. Excuse me.
Make your dad proud, Willie Jr. Bury this thing in the bottom of the river. Once they start up this boat, we won't have much time before it explodes.
How long?
Not sure. An hour, 30 minutes.
Let's hurry up then.
Godzina 30 minut to trochę duży rozrzut, nie? Nie. No jeszcze sobie połażę, może coś tu fajnego będzie. Siema, Poncho.
Minerva, focus.
Yes, ma'am. I have a little brother, short, scarred face. He's not out there, is he?
Look, we've discussed this. Your family is Delta now. There ain't no room for anyone else.
Yes, ma'am.
Duża zła murzynka.
Shit. Of course she had to be the cell guard. We can't sneak past her.
Get out.
Not without our people.
I swear to God, if you got 10 caught up in this, just tell me that he's safe.
Give me that. He told me to tell you. He forgives you. Shit. I'll help you get everyone out.
Then you take my brother and run. Get him back to where it's safe.
Come on, we have to hurry.
Ja już tylko czekałem, aż AJ jej kulę w łeb wpakuje, nie? Nagle, bo on takie akcje...
Holy fuck!
Jest znany.
Oh my god. Are you okay?
He doesn't look hurt.
Yeah, I'm all right. We're all right. Take care of Louis first. He's in rough shape.
I'll unlock the other cell. We don't have a lot of time before Dorian comes back.
Dorian tu jeszcze jest, o Jezu.
Violet, help me with these guys.
Got it. Louis. Louis.
What the fuck are you doing? Don't fucking point it at me!
Kill him, Violet. Don't test me.
Minnie, let us go! No!
O cholera. No to... Warto było.
Louis. What did they do to you?
No, don't. They cut out his tongue. He kept fucking talking.
Oh my god.
O cholera.
I'm sorry, Louis. We're getting out of here, okay? Let's get you home. Shh. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You'll be home soon.
Talk to Louis. Talk. Hamsko.
I'll get us out of here. I promise.
Tak, czyli było ją trzeba walić na tak zwaną waginę, że się tak wyjątkowo kulturalnie wyrażę w tym przypadku.
We're not staying here that long. Looks like there's a gap here.
No chyba się
Too small to fit my hand through.
Chyba się nie przecisnę.
Clem, are you all right?
I'm fine. Where's AJ? Over here. Thank God.
Thank God.
Shit. At least we're not moving yet. We've still got time to figure this out.
No nie, póki nie płynie prom, to bomba nie wybuchnie.
Vi, are you all right?
I'm fine. Looking for a way out. If this thing explodes...
Ej, Way Out, dobra gra była. Dobra gra.
You doing okay in there, AJ?
Yeah, I'm all right. I'm looking for a way out.
Yeah, me too. The doors don't look very well made. Maybe that's something we can work with.
Vagina.
I might be able to chip away at this if I had a tool or... Damn it, they must have taken away my knife.
No, dziwne, nie?
AJ, do you still have your knife?
Yeah, they didn't find it. Only the big one.
Good. I need you to slide it over to me.
Cheap Wells. Ja pier...
Whatever you doing,
Papier.
don't. I promise you. It ain't worth it.
Wielka
Step
murzyna.
back.
She awake?
Yes, ma'am.
Szefowo.
Good.
Kto jest szefowo?
I'll take it from here.
A.
Where's Abel?
He's dead. We killed him. We put a knife in his head.
Fuck, you little monster. Damn it!
That was my call. I killed him myself.
Back up.
Cholera.
Minerva. Open the door.
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, the trouble you caused, I'd shoot you and toss you overboard.
but I'm genuinely impressed. First, you organize these idiot kids into a fighting force and kill 2 of my most experienced soldiers. Then you sneak onto my boat under the cover of a herd. I bring a prize like you back to the Delta, it might make this whole clusterfuck of a mission worth it. Someone like you, so young with so much potential.
I'm not your prize. You're crazy if you think I'd ever fight for you.
Everyone talks like that when they first join. You'll come around. You know, my father, Larry, was a military man. And when I was a kid, he had all kinds of rules. The thing that bugged him most was waste. If I ever left a light on after leaving a room, he'd flip. No matter how many times he ranted about the cost of electricity, I could never remember to hit that switch.
So
one day, he let our power get cut. He liked illustrations to show that actions have consequences. No more TV, no more hairdryer, no more ice cream sandwiches. Just a miserable family sitting in the dark.
Well, I guess asshole runs in the family. Is that the consequence? That you're an asshole?
The consequence is, I never left the lights on again. My father had his faults, but he showed me the effectiveness of teaching by example.
Oh, is that what this is? A lesson?
I want to tell you a story. Let's call it the parable of the twins.
Stanley parable.
2 girls were taken from their home and brought to a new place to live. They had to leave their friends and family behind, and that was hard at first. They shed a lot of tears. But the new place was a good place. The people there grew corn and raised pigs, and the twins ate well for the first time in years. They had hot showers, clean clothes, beds. They were given guns and trained to use them. The people there were kind to these girls. All that was asked in return was that they help defend the group. You see, this place had a lot of enemies, killers and thieves who wanted what they had. They needed help fighting, or they'd lose everything they built. Their crops, their power, even their lives.
They threatened to cut out their tongues?
They only do that to the ones who can't keep their mouths shut. One of the girls saw that this was a place worth fighting for, and her tears dried. But the other twin, she could never forget her old home. She rejected every gift, every opportunity, stirred up trouble every chance she got. She convinced her sister to help her steal a raft and leave on the river. Of course, they didn't get far. What happened then, Minerva?
I killed her.
What the Jesus fuck? Christ.
Minnie, no, tell me it's not true.
Your own sister? Why would you do that?
She was twisting my head with her lies.
And?
I made a mistake. I needed to show my loyalty to the place I call home.
Like it or not, you're one of my people now, Clem. The question is, which twin are you going to be? The loyal one, or the dead one?
What have you done to her head, you fucking psychotic bitch? You're evil! You are fucking evil!
Y'all better back away from the door.
All right, Lily, you made your point. I'll do what you want.
What? No! You can't become a soldier in their army.
Just don't hurt anyone else.
Good. I'm surprised to hear you bend so easily. But this isn't a negotiation. Pull the mouthy one out of the cell. They clearly didn't get the moral of the story. We'll have to help them understand.
Stop!
Don't hurt Violet, or I'll hurt you.
Hey, yo. You better cool it, or you gonna get yourself hurt.
No! Get off of me!
Easy. Stay still.
Shit. Fuck you, no!
Don't make this hurt more than it has to. Come on.
A, dobra.
Just breathe.
AJ!
No. O! Przynajmniej tyle.
Son of a bitch!
Stop!
That's enough.
He bit me!
I said that's enough.
You deserve to die. We'll kill you!
You think you can kill me?
I know I can. I will put a knife right to the side of your head.
Big talk for a little guy.
I know I can do it. I killed Marlon, and I was justified. Dang.
Ja pierdzielę. Co za...
So you killed Marlon. Huh. I bet you'd make a great soldier.
Leave him alone. This is between us.
Clem seems to care a lot about you. Come on, let's go have a chat. Just us.
Don't you fucking touch him! Clem! No, please! Clementine! AJ!
Keep an eye on her, Minerva.
Lily,
Get
don't!
this thing moving. I want to be far away from
O cholera,
I'll
to
start
się...
up the boiler.
O cholera.
Don't you dare look at me like that! This is the only way we survive.
Who are you? Fuck survival! Look at what you're doing!
Dobra, Rudą trzeba zabić przy najbliższej okazji.
Please, I just want to talk to you for a second. I'm sorry we never searched for you. For Sophie. I'm sorry we trusted that fucker Marlon. If I ever thought there was a chance.
I know, okay? But Sophie's dead. You all need to understand. This is the only way! Lay down, stay in line, or you die. The people you love die. If you just do what they say, you can live.
Dobra.
All of you.
Dobra. Na pizdę. Przepraszam, że tak brzydko powiedziałem.
Behind you! You're the fucking problem here!
O.
I won't let you get them all killed! Minerva! I can't let her leave! Shit!
No i tyle.
Come on, we have to go.
I can't leave her. Go, I'll catch up.
Clem, come on! We have to get the hell out of here!
Go, I need to find AJ.
Better see you on land.
You will.
Ale jaja.
Shit, they started the boiler.
We'll focus that energy, sharpen it.
Teraz jeszcze musimy odnaleźć
I've known
małego.
Clementine since before this all started. She'll come around.
Zanim bomba nie wiadomo.
You'll come around too, once you see what we have to offer. Plenty of food, comfortable beds.
Found
for you
one
and
more
Clem. You
sneaking
can
over
even
the
share a
docks.
room.
Tin!
Fuck.
Tennessee, did you get lost?
He wasn't alone. I got something else to show you.
This way.
Found this in the herd.
O, piękniś.
No wonder there were so many walkers.
Piękniś.
Must have thought you were clever leading those walkers here. Or was that Clementine's idea? Nothing to say?
You don't fucking scare me.
Is that so?
Force your ways onto others. Because you're afraid. Because you're weak.
I give my people a cause to fight for. The thing about people like him, AJ, is that they're too broken to fit into a community. They won't fight for anyone but themselves.
Czego?
No! Fuck! Easy there, 10.
Don't hurt him. Just stop hurting people. Please.
Shoot her!
Why don't we all just take a breath, all right?
Give me my friends back.
No mógłby tą z bronią
Let them
zastrzelić.
go. All of us. Or else.
Fine, go ahead then. Do it. Save your friends. That's what you came here to do, isn't it?
No!
Oh, I see. You came here to cry.
A AJ to by zara
Looks like you're not a soldier
walił.
either.
Please don't!
No!
O kurwa. Ej, klikłem E.
You made a big fucking wait!
Czemu w nogę? W nerkę! W nerkę trzeba było i... O kur... O! O ja! O! To musiało być nieprzyjemne. Ja to po babie.
AJ, wait! I give up. I will give up. Put down the gun. I'll let everyone leave. My crew and I will leave. We won't bother you anymore. Oh!
AJ! She's not a threat. Lower the gun.
You weren't down there. You didn't see what she did. She cut my friend's tongue out.
You don't have to do this, please!
It's a trick.
Don't you fucking dare, AJ!
Just give me the gun.
Can't let her hurt.
No niestety, sprawiedliwość.
Do it, AJ!
No i dziękuję bardzo. Do widzenia.
AJ, stop!
Musiałem to zrobić, bo w każdym filmie na świecie by ją oszczędzili.
Did you do? You were fucking dead.
A ja musiałem... Raz jedyny... Mógł, ale nie wywalić całego magazynka w nią. Yeah. Co? W takim momencie użyli ten epizod? Nie! Nie! No najlepiej. Super partia. Dobra, tutaj byłem w 93%. To byłem w 94, czyli typowo. W 17, która nazwała Willie Jr. hipstersko. 78. 42, czyli hipstersko. Abel zabity. Straumatyzowany. No i Lily dead. Poruszona cała. No ale mu się nie podobało, że dałem zabić. Co? 2 na 6? Ale lipa. Ale lipa. Pokażę, co będzie w następnym? No. Także teraz w The Walking Dead, moi drodzy, widzimy się 26 marca. Także dziękuję wszystkim na YouTubie za uwagę. Mam nadzieję, żeście się dobrze bawili. Pewnie mieliście, jak graliście, różne inne wybory. Także czekam na wasze komentarze. Zostawcie łapkę. Widzimy się na streamach. Cięcie.